Welcome back, everyone. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie Zero Oscar. I am doing some maintenance, a little bit of maintenance for the Z-100Plus Auto Tune from LDG Electronics. It's a tuner, and it's done me well. It's kept me tuned for certain situations, and I placed these batteries probably 3 years ago, maybe. Taking out the batteries most likely will get rid of its memory, most likely, or maybe it takes a little while for it to lose its memory. Either way, what we're going to do is we're going to put some fresh batteries in it. Just to tell you how to take off the case, there are 4 screws on the side for them. Always, if you're mobile, always good to have a toolbox and some basic essentials like a screwdriver. So there's 4 holes, one here, one there, and 2 more right here. Very easy. And it says with the spring you put the negative side on it. So we'll start over here. I'll just pop them in. It's always a good idea probably to change them every so often. I don't use the tuner as often just because I like things to be tuned already, like a resonating antenna at the band that I want. But there are some times when this is a lifesaver. Sometimes in mobile operation, once in a while, sometimes on a very windy day when there's sand or dirt or something, it just doesn't seem to give me the proper SWR. All right, so here you are. Then you put this back on here gingerly. Okay, and it should turn on, I think. Let's see. Yeah, the yellow or green, I mean. All right. So let's put these screws back. All right. And we will have a operational tuner. Now I use this tuner also. I have the proper cables for the FT857D. I'm not sure if it would work for the FT818. I don't know if I've ever tried that. You have to have the proper cable or else it won't work. Okay. Here we go. Pretty hard to do with one hand, but not impossible. There you go. Okay, here you go. And here, you could use rechargeable batteries because I used them and didn't see it to be a problem. There we go. But this time I'm using fresh Duracell batteries. Okay. And then if you haven't seen one of these before, let me tell you what we have here. We put the antenna on this side. We could put a ground, that's optional. And then the radio, right? And then it does have an ability, if you have a barrel, I guess a barrel connection, 17 to 18 volts, 100 milliamps, and then the radio interface, which we do have. Okay,